going on, guys? Got a sink here, sink drain. It's slow. Looks like there's a bunch of hair and who knows what else in there. Alright. Alright, underneath here, pop-up rod. Just take the clip off. And then unloosen the nut here. And then up here, lift up the popper, hold on to it while you pull the rod out. Oh, that thing's really jammed up. Oh yeah. Wow, that rod did not want to come out of there. That is a lot of hair. Alright. Got my homemade little drain cleaner here. Take this down, give it a little spin, pull it out. Nice chunk of hair there. I'm used to this. Used to bother me at first, but do enough of them, it doesn't bother you anymore. Alright. Put that in there. The rod, get a rag. Clean this rod up some. A lot of buildup on there. Okay. Drop this down and put the rod in here. Like that. Make sure it's working. It is. Okay. Put the nut back on. Alright, get your clip and the rod. Okay, and test it out up here. Get this hair out of here. And this little tool here works great. A little homemade. Use it on tub drains too. Pull the stopper out, reach in there, turn it, pull the hair right out. Works great to hair on these stoppers too. Okay, make sure there's no leaks under here. Everything seems good. Alright, that's cleaning out a bathroom sink drain. See you on the next one.